Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to the vlog. Today is the first beach day of the year. Okay, I'm so excited. I can't wait to be in the beach tanning because look at me. I'm white as the wall. Oh my god, it's almost 12. Well, damn, didn't know it was that time. We need to leave like now. We're going to Laguna Beach, which is my favorite beach. I didn't know if I wanted to go to that one because it's colder down there than here. But I love it there and I can walk around and stuff, like I won't get bored. It's an hour away, so let's go. I was already on my way to the car and I forgot I forgot my towel. But I got a package, so let's open it. Pretty sure it's from TikTok shop, but I forgot what I ordered. So. What is this? What? I'm so confused. This looks nothing like the picture. Wait, let me show you the picture. It does look like the picture, forget it. I was thinking about something else. Okay, this is how it's supposed to be styled. Huh, really interesting. But maybe we can make it work. Okay, they look a lot more fake than I thought they would. Okay, next. Look at this phone case. It's so pretty. Cause see, it's like the summer version of the one I have right now. And it comes with this little phone holder. Now, what is this? Ooh, a card game I ordered. I'm not drunk, and it's like a card game for like drinking. I ordered all these bracelets, but by the sight, they are huge. Yeah, quite big, honestly, but they're cute. I bought this little comb. Also, my hair. I tried doing, like I slept in braids, so I was like, I'm gonna wake up with beach hair. It looks insane. These little like beach necklaces. Is my camera dirty? Like a seashell. Other like, and a starfish. So cute. Cute! Because I'm going on a cruise with my family in June. Okay, these are tiny. Damn, boy. I swear the picture they look not that tiny. That's why I ordered it. I never order swimsuits because the bottoms are always tiny. Nemo, let's go to the beach. Okay, it's an hour 14 drive, but it'll be worth it, I know. And I've decided I'm gonna make a beach playlist while I'm in the car because like, I don't know, I wanted to put a playlist and can't talk. And I saw I don't have a beach playlist, so I'm gonna make one in the road trip. For breakfast, I have luncheon. I have Dunkin' that I got yesterday and some donut holes. But when I get, forget it. And I brought some clementines and some chocolate bars. Not chocolate bars. What? Unas barritas for the beach, you know? And if I get hungry, there's a Whole Foods literally right there and an Earth Cafe, which next time I go, I'm gonna leave earlier so I can have breakfast there. Let's go to the beach.
Let's go get away. They say what they gonna say.
Why is there a huge cloud literally where I'm going? What's going on? What is this? I didn't know. Okay, I made it. Drove an hour. It is a bit gloomy. But nevertheless, the UV is 7, so I will be getting tanned. You quite literally can't see the beach though, like the water. But we're already here, so might as well make the most of it, right? I was walking for a while now to find a good spot, but why is there so many people? Like, it's Monday. Don't people have school? And I'm here. But yeah, the sun, like I can feel the sun on my skin, so we're good. There's no way I'm going in but I want to touch the water to see how cold it is. Literally the sand is freezing. If the sand is freezing, I don't even want to touch the water. Let's do a little dippy. A little... No. It's freezing, it's freezing, it's freezing. Okay, I've been here for 2 hours and I'm starting to get cold a little because the sun is disappeared again. But I also want to pee. So I think I'm gonna go walk around and find a bathroom. Fun fact, not so fun fact, I threw my grandpa's ashes over there. Sun came out again. I already went to the bathroom. Yay! So I'm just chilling here. I think I'm gonna read for a bit and look at my view. I think my battery's gonna die. Uh-oh. Oops. Okay, I read for like 40 minutes over there and I'm back in the car because my parking meter is expired. So I'm gonna move the car and I am gonna go find somewhere to eat. I know this really good restaurant, but I'm not gonna eat there because it's kind of expensive. Like I just want like a sandwich or something. So let's go look for that. This store, but it's so expensive. So I'm gonna wait till I come with my mom. My battery died, but I've been walking for like half an hour waiting for the sunset to happen so I can go home. Also waiting for the traffic to die down because earlier it said I was gonna do 2 hours back home and I was like, So yeah, my feet kind of hurt though because I'm in desperate need of some cute sandals because what the heck is that? But yeah. My walk has been so nice and I'm late, but I started listening to the Marias and I love them. They give me so much peace. So now I'm making a playlist of I think I like this little life, and it's all songs that give that vibe. Look at this. Every single corner is perfect. I swear I'm gonna have a house here when I'm rich. Trust. that sunset was beautiful. It's literally everything I needed. Also, I did 8,000 steps in chanclas. So, I don't know, but that's a workout to me. The sunset is still happening, but I don't really want to drive in the dark, like at night. So I'm leaving now. And it says I do 1 hour and 4 minutes. So let's go. I'm home. That was a beautiful day. Not my hair looking better now than it did the whole day. Literally, what? But okay, I'm gonna shower, and that's basically it. It was a little vlog, but yeah. Remember to subscribe all my channels, follow all my channels. It's the same name in all of them. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.